The gas molecule ozone is harmful for humans to breathe. It can be found in pollution like the brown cloud that often covers the Front Range in the summer. But when it's high in the atmosphere away from our lungs, it can actually help us. And there's a layer of ozone about 10 to 15 miles up into the stratosphere.
And that layer is critical for life on Earth as we know it to exist today.
Atmospheric chemist Steve Monska says the ozone layer filters out some of the most dangerous radiation from the sun. Without the ozone layer, he says humans would suffer far more severe burns and cancers, and most, if not all, plant life on Earth could die. In the early 1980s, scientists discovered that the ozone layer was disappearing. World leaders came together to ban the human-made chlorines and bromine that was causing it. Now, 34 years after the ban, Monska says the ozone layer has healed by 50%.
It's a milestone for society in its effort, to heal the ozone layer and resolve this global environmental issue.
Monska and his team tracked the progress of ozone layer replenishment at NOAA's Global Monitoring Lab in Boulder. Regular balloon launches, satellites, and ground sensors measure the ozone concentrations across the globe. They're also kind of a gas police, looking for traces of the banned substances in the atmosphere. In 2018, they discovered that an ozone-depleting gas known as CFC-11 was being emitted from a region in eastern China.
So, we raised the red flag saying, goodness, something's happening that we don't expect. And there was a tremendous response, which is very interesting and wonderful to see.
He says that operation was shut down quickly. That allowed the ozone layer to continue its progress of healing, now halfway to recovery.
It's tremendous to see.
Meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen, 9 News.
So that half-healed part is over the mid-latitudes. That's where most people live, but they also monitor the so-called ozone hole, the one over the South Pole. That one is recovering at a slower rate. In this year's analysis, Monska says it is only 26% recovered.